Johan Giraldo. I am a student system engineering at UNAT. And okay, Gabriel Forest. Okay, years ago, my grandparents said that strange things happen in the city. My grandparents Samuel des years ago a family lived near this forest. They had beautiful house. The family had a mother, a father, and two children, Julian and Gabriel. Julian was 10 years old and Gabriel was 12 years old. And the two brothers liked to come and play this look in the treehouse they had their father. He had beautiful than to play. One day the humans arrived the forest, later than normal. Both were studying music. Their mother feared them. The children asked their mother to let them go to her treehouse there to play. Their mother gave the permission. They went there to forest without knowing what was going to happen to them. Gabriel arrived in the forest began to feel that he was being followed. Later he saw a shadow there approach him until he ended to him. His brother Julian managed to see when they took his brother Gabriel and they managed to flee from the woods. When he got home he told his parents what happened and without thinking they went to look for his brother. So 3 months passed and they did not find him. Both every night they saw the shadow of this brother come to his. In view of the permission, the parents made the decision go to Owen because of the anguish of not finding their son and for the fear of losing Julian. Seeing that it is this, the Gabriel Shadow walks through these forest looking for people to can take so as not to be allowed in the court forest. And the end. Thank you for time. Bye.